Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you Toyota RAV 54 plate, which is 2004 or maybe 2005. Need to change the timing belt and water pump. What you have to do, you have to remove all the timing belt cover, which see all around the pulleys and there. That's the engine mounting on top. Engine mounting, I have to remove that one as well. To remove the power steering pump, remove the wheel, all the cover, crank pulley, tensioner pulley, all this thing you have to remove it. And the fuel pump sprocket have to remove. And the bad thing on this car, when you want to remove the timing belt or water pump removing, this is the water pump. It's going to fit like this way. You can see two bolts here, but they have two nuts on the back, which is the holding fuel injector pump. It's not easy to do, very difficult to do it. And you can see one is bolt in this side here, and the other bolt inside there on the back. You see under the pipe down there. You have to access with the long spanner or access with the little extension 12 mil. Then you have to remove all the bolt around the water pump. They have how many have they around here? Have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts around the water pump. This is 2-liter diesel. Very complicated to do with the water pump. I think it's already been replacing the timing belt kit, but they know replacing water pump because very complicated to do it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Good luck.